Hello everyone, today we are going to design animated infographic timeline, on just PowerPoint, and if you don't have any knowledge about PowerPoint designing, this tutorial can give more basic knowledge about PowerPoint designing, or you can watch my other videos from my channel. It's will very helpful for you, to improve your knowledge, so I hope you stay with me until end of the video. Okay, let's start to work. Here I already take a blank slide. Pick this shape, and make it like this, with holding Shift key. Using this yellow dot, drag it to the left side, making half circle. To more adjustments, go to size, change value 2.4 and 2.4. Set the width size, 18 and cap type round. Change outline color to light green. You can choose any color you want. Pick oval, draw small shape in here. Make sure remove outlines from the shape. Change fill color into white. Change scale size using Shift key. Pick this line shape, and draw small shape in here. Change outline color and size. And make it center. Rotate the shape 90 degrees, using rotate option from here. Remove outlines and change fill color into green. Now select all the shapes, to make them group, using Ctrl+G. Holding Ctrl+Shift, to make duplicate copy, and you can also use Ctrl+D. Using Shift key, you can rotate the shape perfectly. Change outline color into purple, and change transparency 36%. By using eyedropper tool to pick color like this. Again using Ctrl+Shift to make duplicate copy. Change outline color into light blue. Right-click, select Bring to Front. This is not perfect, so I do adjustments in here. You can download this file for free. I gave the link in the description, but when you unzip the file, they're asking passcode for unzip your file, so I gave the zip code for inside the tutorial. It will appear in any time, so don't miss any second of the tutorial. Keep watching the video until the end. Again, make duplicate copy of the same shape using Ctrl-Shift key. Change outline color dark yellow. Perfect. Now our main shape design is done. It's time to add some texts to our design. Get the text box, and type, year 1980. Select all the text to change font size and font style. Change font color. Again, pick the text box for add your information details. I type here example text. Change font size. I already got the icon. Make 5 copies of this using Ctrl+D. Select all the icons to change color. Again, select 2 of them to change color like this. And if have any questions about this tutorial, please ask me in the comment section. I'm happy to help for you. I type, year 1990. Select all the icons to make duplicate copy. And these icons not perfect align, so I go to the align, select align middle. See the difference of before and after align. I create another duplicate copy, and I type here year 2000. This time I select 3 of them, to change color. Using Ctrl+D I get another copy of the text box, and I type, year 2010. Change our icons the color into light red. I type here year 2020. This time I select 4 of them to change fill color dark yellow. Now I get another text box for add main title for our slide, so I type here Infographic timeline and world population 1980, 2020. Now select all the text, then click center. Select first line of text to change font style and font size. Okay, let's animate our design one by one. Go to the Animation tab. Click Add Animation, then select Float In. Open Animation pane. Set with Previous. Select Effect option Float Down. Click to play, to see preview of the animation. Select text box, then select zoom, set with previous. Change duration time and delay time. Select second text box, then choose wipe, set with previous. Change duration and delay time. Now select all the icons, add animation, more entrance effects. Select expand, then hit OK. OK, let's play our first part of animation. In this time I used Animation Painter, for copy same animation to another shape just like this. It's very easy to use, no need to find again animation effect and animation settings. When you use Animation Painter, it will automatically copy all animation effects with animation settings. When you adding animation for your shapes, please check again which direction you want to animate, it's very important. Please note, don't add more animation for your design, because it's not perfect or professional, so just add simple animation for your design, it's much beautiful. Let's see our final result. Okay guys, if you like this video, you can give like and share with your friend and don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you next video, bye bye.